Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garmin Explore 2. Let's begin by unboxing your new device and performing the initial setup. You will then learn to pair it seamlessly with the Garmin Explore mobile application on your smartphone. This crucial step allows for effortless data synchronization, ensuring all your routes, tracks, and waypoints are consistently updated across both your device and the app. We will cover the simple steps to get you connected and ready for your next adventure in just a few moments. Next, we will dive into the powerful navigation and mapping capabilities of your Garmin Explore 2. Discover how to effortlessly create and follow custom routes, ensuring you stay on track during your journeys. We will explore the various map types, from topographic to satellite imagery, and show you how to switch between them for optimal viewing. Learn to mark important waypoints and points of interest, making it simple to revisit your favorite spots or critical locations. Now, let's master data management and device customization. We will show you how to efficiently organize your tracks, activities, and collections within the Garmin Explore application, keeping your adventures neatly categorized. Learn to personalize your device by customizing data fields and display settings, tailoring the screen to show exactly what you need at a glance. Furthermore, we will guide you through importing and exporting GPX files, allowing you to share or load routes with ease. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and essential tips for your Garmin Explore 2. Understand its impressive battery life, offering up to 16 hours in standard mode or up to 32 hours in battery saver mode, and how to optimize it. If your model includes InReach, we will cover its satellite communication capabilities for added safety. Plus, we will share valuable advice for maintaining peak performance and troubleshooting any common issues you might encounter, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.